Good morning to everyone. Today we will continue with differential equations. See, last class we completed order and degree of differential equation and couple of sums based on formation of differential equation. Today again we'll continue with formation of differential equation. Look at this. Again we have to form the differential equation. Question is, form the differential equation of parabolas, all parabolas whose axes are whose axes are parallel to y-axis. This is first question I took. What do we have to find? Form the differential equation of all parabolas whose axes are parallel to y-axis. Correct? So we have to form the differential equation. First, the given statement, what it says, that we have to understand. Parabolas whose axes are parallel to y-axis. See, such type of parabola will be what? General equation of your quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c. Correct? This is a parabola of second degree equation which is parallel to y-axis. You have seen in quadratic equation, this is the parabola, correct? So this is the family of parabola of where the axis is parallel to y-axis, correct? Now, while looking this curve, we have three arbitrary constants a, b and c. A, b and c are three arbitrary constants, correct? So all of you aware that number of arbitrary constants which tells you the number of times of derivative you have to do. So now we have three arbitrary constants, so we have to differentiate thrice. So first, when you differentiate here dy by dx, so a is constant, so derivative of x square, it becomes 2x, plus b is constant, x is 1, and c becomes 0. Now again we differentiate because we have to differentiate three times. So d2y dx square, it becomes 2a, b here becomes 0, and finally d3y upon dx cube, and this is successive derivative. First you have to differentiate dy by dx, then d2y, and finally d3y dx square dx cube. Why it is? Since we have three arbitrary constants. So here d3y dx cube of 2a, what it becomes? It becomes 0. This is 0. So this is going to be our differential equation of the given statement. So all parabolas whose axes are parallel to y-axis, correct? So the differential equation you will get d3y upon dx cube equal to 0, correct? Now we'll move to our next problem. This problem I believe all of you understood. क्वेश्चन को आप ध्यान से समझे. पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस है पैराबोलास की, उसकी जनरल इक्वेशन होती है ax स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू जीरो होती है. बट अगर आप डिफ्रेंशिएट करो तो जीरो की डेरिवेटिव जीरो ही होगी, करेक्ट? सो dy by dx, then d2y, and then d3y dx cube. Fine. Now we'll move to our next question. Look at this. Next question is again from parabola I am taking. Form the differential equation of family of parabolas having vertices at origin and foci on the x-axis, correct? Now in this question, what is the question is provided to us? Family of parabolas. We have to form the differential equation. Form the differential equation of family of parabolas having vertices at origin and foci on the x-axis. So if you go by pictorial, look at this pictorial, how it will look like. This is what axis, the parabola, this is vertex, correct? This is origin 0 comma 0, this is vertex, this is your x-axis. So these are the parabolas, family of parabolas, where vertex is 0 comma 0, fine. So these are family of parabolas. We have to find the differential equation of this family. So now all of you aware in such situation what is going to be the equation of parabola? Y square equals to 4ax, fine. A is your focus, a comma 0, fine, a comma 0. So now while looking this equation, there is a one arbitrary constant here, which is a. A is arbitrary constants and we have only one it is. So we have to differentiate once only. So differentiate this 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a, derivative of x is 1. Now from here we will get a equals to 1 by 2 into y into dy by dx. Now this value of y we will put into this equation, put equation 1 to this. So after substituting the value of a here, we will have y square equals to 4 into 1 by 2 into y into dy by dx. So this way we can eliminate the a, arbitrary constant, because all of you are aware that in forming a differential equation we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So now look at this, what left, y equals to 2 y equals to here 2 dy by dx, or it is 2 dy dx minus y equals to 0 also you can write, or you can leave it up to here also. So y equals to 2 dy by dx is the differential equation of this family of parabolas having vertices at origin and foci on the x-axis. Fine. Now dear, we'll move to our next problem. Look at this. Done. I believe this is clear to all. Here options can be like y upon 2 also sometimes, or 2 dy dx minus y equals to 0 also will be the options. So we can match that option after this step. Next problem I am taking, look at this. The next problem is form the differential equation of the family of circles touching y-axis at the origin. Fine. So family of circles, we have to form the differential equation of the family of circles touching y-axis at the origin. Fine. So now if you see this geometry, if you draw the diagram, how it will look like, look at this. This is axis, correct there. So the circles touches y-axis at origin. So this way those circles will be there. This side also it can be possible. This is one circle. So family of circles you will get. Fine. Look at this, and all touches to origin to y-axis. Fine. So if we say this is center and it will one of the circle, there are various circles are there. So let's say one of the circle, the radius will be a, and that is lying on x-axis, correct? So here the coordinate will be a comma 0 of this center. Fine. You can say hk if you take center radius form. So what is going to be the equation of circle? Equation of the circle of a circle, you take equation of a circle will be x minus a, center radius form I am taking, plus y minus 0 square is equals to radius square. Fine. Means a0b, the center of any circle from this family. Any circle of this family I took radius a. So the equation will be x minus a whole square plus y minus 0, correct, is equals to a square. Now here, now we expand this equation. So x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square equals to a square. So finally we have x square minus 2ax plus y square equals to 0. See why I simplified till here, so that we will come to know how many arbitrary constants in our equation, correct. That is why we expanded. इस इक्वेशन को एक्सपेंड करने का पर्पस ये था कि हमें फाइनली देखना है कितने आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट हमें मिले. So what we observed here, we have only one arbitrary constant, which is a. So this equation we have to differentiate once only, correct. And then again we resubstitute into equation 1 value of a, और हमें finally equation of differential equation मिल जाएगी. So अब इस differentiate कर दें हम इस equation को, एक ही बार differentiate करना है. So this is 2x minus 2a is constant, x is 1, and the derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. From here we can get the value of a. So the value of a will be, because that we have to eliminate, so the value of a will be x plus y into dy by dx. This came a. Fine. This value is now we have to substitute into equation 1. Then only a will be eliminated. So now we'll put the value of a into equation 1. So this equation, and that is going to be our differential equation. So x square minus 2, in place of a we'll put x plus y dy by dx into x plus y square equals to 0. This is going to be our differential equation. If you want to simplify further also, so then you can, what you do, simplify this entire thing. So at the end you will get, finally the equation will be y square minus x square minus 2xy into dy by dx equals to 0. This is going to be our differential equation of this family of circles touching y-axis at the origin. इस origin पे ये 0,0 जो origin है, यहाँ पे ये circles touch करते हैं on y-axis, correct? So we came to know x minus a whole square plus one of the circle I took, जिसकी radius मैंने a लिया. So x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 square equals to a square. Now we have this equation. Fine. Then while looking this equation, we came to know there is only one arbitrary constant. So we have to differentiate once only. So after differentiating and eliminating this arbitrary constant a, and then again we substituted into equation 1. So finally we have this differential equation appeared, and this is the formation of this statement, or you can say the solution. This is what formation of differential equation. This is your differential equation for the given problem. Correct? Now we'll move to our next problem there. See, the next question I am taking from, look at this. Form the differential equation if y equals to a cos 2x a cos 2x plus b sine 2x. Fine. This is what solution also you can say y equals to, this is in fact a solution as well as curve. So we have to form the differential equation of this curve. So while looking this curve, what we observed that we in this curve we have two arbitrary constants a and b. So we must have to differentiate twice, correct? So we start differentiating first dy by dx, which is minus a into 2 sine 2x derivative plus b into 2 cos 2x. Correct? This is first derivative. And it is compulsory that we have to differentiate twice since it is two arbitrary constants a and b. So again we will differentiate d2y dx squared. So when you differentiate again, it is going to be minus 4a cos 2x, and here it is minus 4b sine 2x. Now here if you take minus 4 common, so we will have a cos 2x plus b sine 2x. Correct? Now when we took minus 4 common, so what it appeared here, this becomes y. So we can write here minus 4y. Look at this, now arbitrary constant eliminated. Now there is no a and b. Finally d2y dx square is equals to minus 4y, and this is our differential equation. Or this you can write d2y dx square plus 4y equals to 0. This is our desired differential equation. So we have two arbitrary constant a and b. That is why we went twice derivative. So once you differentiate d2y dx square, and after simplification what it came, that this arbitrary constant a and b which is there in the equation get eliminated, and in place of this we kept it y. So it came d2y dx square equals to minus 4y. See, this way we got the differential equation. Understood? Arbitrary constant पहचानना है आपको. Once you came to know arbitrary constant, then what you have to do, when just differentiate that many times. अगर तीन arbitrary है तो तीन बार differentiate किया था हमने. You have seen in family of parabolas में. So this is the way to simply got the formation of, we'll get the formation of differential equation. Now we'll go to the next problem there. Look at this. Next problem I am taking in the same format. The curve is y equals to, it is given a cos omega t plus b sine omega t. Fine. This is a cos omega t. This is t. Then we have to form the differential equation of this. This came in NDA once, dear. I don't know which year, but it came in once in NDA. So how we will proceed for this solution? How we will get the differential equation? So a and b, got it? A and b are here arbitrary constant. Omega is not an arbitrary constant. Remember here in this equation, it's a constant, correct? But a and b are arbitrary constants. So we have two arbitrary constants. So we must have to differentiate twice. So we'll start differentiating dy by dx, dy by dt basically, because function is in terms of t. So this will come minus a sine omega t into omega plus b cos omega t into omega. Fine. Now again you differentiate d2y upon dt square. This is like similar approach like in previous sum what we did. So here again minus a omega constant and sin omega t is cos omega t, and omega t derivative of omega is constant, omega left, and here it is minus b omega into sin omega t into omega. Since derivative of cos is minus sign, so this plus becomes minus here. Now you take common, what we will take common? Minus omega square. So what left? A cos omega t plus b sin omega t, and this is nothing but y. So minus omega square y. See, the arbitrary constants a and b eliminated here. So finally d2y upon dt square plus omega square y is equal to 0. This is our differential equation of this given curve. Fine. Y equals to a cos omega t plus b sin omega t का डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आ गया d2 by dx स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर y इक्वल्स टू 0 डियर. ठीक है, ये प्रीवियस सम की तरह था. आपने देखा 2 बार डिफरेंशिएट कंपलसरी करना है. यू कैन नॉट लीव इट इन वंस. आपको 2 बार करना ही करना है. जब भी आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट 2 आ गया तो यू मस्ट हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट ट्वाइस. करेक्ट. इफ इट इज वन आर्बिट्री सो यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट वंस. ठीक है. सी, now we'll move to the one more sum I am taking from this formation, and then we'll move to our major segment which is solution of differential equation. Correct. ये एक लास्ट सम इसमें मैं ले रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट में हम अब सोल्यूशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन डिस्कस करेंगे. आइए, क्वेश्चन इज फॉर्म द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व y इक्वल्स टू ax स्क्वायर plus bx. Correct. Ax square plus bx. So there it's quite clear that a clear हो रहा है. a and b two arbitrary constants we have. a और b दो arbitrary constants है हमारे पास. two arbitrary constants. ठीक है. Constants. So we have to differentiate twice here. So first we'll differentiate dy by dx. पहला dy dx कर लें. दिस इज 2ax प्लस b आ गया. ठीक है. तो आप इसको 1 कर ले या यहाँ से b आप निकाल सकते हैं. तो यू टेक b फ्रॉम हियर. सो b इज नथिंग बट dy by dx माइनस 2ax. इसको इक्वेशन 1 कर दीजिए, या इसको 1 लेके 2, जैसा भी चाहते हैं. इसको फर्स्ट को 1 कर लो एंड सेकेंड, बिकॉज a और b की वैल्यू हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी होगी. Then again we'll differentiate this. d2 by dx square. Correct. This is nothing but 2a. b becomes 0. So 2a that means a also we can get. A is 1 by 2 d2y dx square. Correct. This is equation 3. Now the value of b and a will put into equation 1 में हम substitute कर देंगे. So that a and b get eliminated. So finally, look at this. Y equals to a is 1 by 2 d2y dx square, fine, into x square, d2y dx square into x square plus b. b की जगह पे आप क्या डाल दें? dy by dx, fine, माइनस इट इज 2ax. लुक एट दिस. थोड़ा आपको यहाँ पे केयरफुल रहना. b की क्या वैल्यू है? 2ax. तो a की वैल्यू वापस हमें वहाँ डालनी होगी. ठीक है. तो dy by dx माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू a की जगह फिर से क्या डाल दो आप? 1 by 2 इंटू d2y by dx स्क्वायर. फाइन. अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ a and b गेट एलिमिनेटेड. अब हमारे पास ये पूरी एक्सप्रेशन है. अब इस पूरी एक्सप्रेशन को आपने क्या करना है? सिंप्लीफाई कर देना है. अब इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करें. सो एट द एंड व्हाट वी विल ऑब्जर्व, कुछ टर्म गेट कैंसल ऑल्सो. सो फाइनली लुक एट दिस. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन व्हाट विल हैपन, इसको मैं सिंप्लीफाई करूं कुछ टर्म कॉमनली अगर लेके, तो ये अपने को मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर d2y 2x², ये टर्म आएगा, 2 अपने को एलसीएम में भेज देंगे हम, माइनस 2x dy/dx प्लस 2y इक्वल्स टू 0. ठीक है, दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर द गिवन कर्व. कर्व इज y इक्वल्स टू ax² प्लस bx. फाइन. तो यहाँ पे दो आपके आर्बिट्री कॉन्स्टेंट्स दिखे, a और b, dy/dx d2y कर लिया, a और b सेपरेट किया. ठीक है, और फिर एट द एंड इक्वेशन 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया हमने. इक्वेशन 1 में व्हेन वी सब्स्टिट्यूट तो आपकी a और b की वैल्यू रखी गई. b के वैल्यू में हमारा 2ax दिख रहा था, तो वापस हमने a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे डाला. ठीक है, वो केयरफुल रहेंगे. एंड फाइनली सिंप्लीफाइंग दिस वी हैव दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. फाइन डियर. सो फॉर्मेशन में आई बिलीव आपको इतने प्रॉब्लम्स करने के बाद आई डोंट थिंक देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम. सो इफ यू हैव योर एनी रेफरेंस बुक, टेक्स्ट बुक या आर.एस. अग्रवाल, पाथफाइंडर, किसी भी बुक से स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, and any doubt you can ask me. So now I am moving to our major segment which is solution of differential equation. क्योंकि हमने आपको इनिशियली बता दिया कि डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को 3 हिस्सों में ही बांटा गया है. पहला डियर ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, सेकेंड इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, एंड थर्ड इज solution of differential equation. This is our third segment, solution of differential equation. ठीक है, अब हमें डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशन सीखने हैं, कैसे सॉल्यूशन निकाली जाती है. ऑल्दो इट इज इक्वेशन, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, इक्वेशन है ना, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज गोइंग टू बी, इट हैज सम सॉल्यूशंस. तो हमें डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन निकालना सीखना है. That is our very important segment. NDA में you will get around maximum 2 problems from solution से. Maximum I am talking. Solution से अपने को 2 प्रॉब्लम मिलेगा. एक ऑर्डर डिग्री श्योर रहता है, फॉर्मेशन से एक प्रॉब्लम रहता है, और सोल्यूशन से 2 मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम्स यू विल गेट. सो किसी साल हमने देखा 2018 में there are 6 question came from differential equation. So in general, probably 4 to 5 question it used to come from differential equation. Remember always 4 to 5 problems from DE से आता है, याद रखना है अपने को NDA में. Fine dear. So now we'll talk about solution of differential equation. Solution of differential equation dear, इसको भी हमने डिवाइड किया है एरिया वाइज, क्योंकि इसमें there are 4-5 varieties एंड उस वेराइटीज़ को उस मेथडोलॉजी से सॉल्व की जाती है. पहला है हमारा वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड कहते हैं इसको, वेरिएबल सेपरेबल. सेकंड इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए तरीके हैं ये सब, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. थर्ड इज होमोजीनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. होमोजीनियस होने पे कैसे सॉल्यूशन किया जाएगा, पहले हम होमोजीनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन समझेंगे और तब उसके सॉल्यूशंस पे ध्यान करेंगे वर्कआउट. फोर्थ सेगमेंट इज लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विथ कांस्टेंट्स कोफिशिएंट्स. ये भी टर्मिनोलॉजी को अच्छे से समझेंगे इस सेगमेंट में व्हेन वी विल एंटर. सो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विद कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट्स, ये टॉपिक के हमें केवल वी हैव टू डू 2 टाइप्स. रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइप्स यू विल डू इन एनडीए और इन इंजीनियरिंग. इसमें हमें 2 टाइप्स ही करने होते हैं लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के विद कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट्स में. ये टॉपिक जो है डियर ग्रेजुएशन में या इंजीनियरिंग में यहाँ से ही डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन स्टार्ट होती है. तो ये पहले 2 आपको 12th में सिखाई जाती है, और देन रिमेनिंग इट गोज इन इंजीनियरिंग एंड इन ग्रेजुएशन. ठीक है. सो एंड ऑल आर कनेक्टेड. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरिएबल सेपरेबल, देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑल्सो, एंड देन यू विल एबल टू डू इट होमोजीनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. एंड फाइनली वंस ऑल 3 you understood, then only you will understand, linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So stepwise we'll have to go through, अच्छे से समझ के लें. And it's very simple. It's a combination. I told you differential equation is a combination of differentiation and integration. तो आपके डिफरेंशिएशन और इंटीग्रेशन आपने इतने प्रैक्टिस किए हैं तो सोल्यूशन बिकम्स वेरी सिंपल. करेक्ट. तो अब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये जो हमने चार मेथड लिए हैं, इसी चार मेथड में एक, दो या तीन क्वेश्चन एनडीए को आ जाते हैं. फाइन. So altogether I told you there are 4 to 5 questions you will get: formation, order degree and solution. So now there, in the next video we will discuss the solution of differential equation one by one. पहले variable separable देखते हैं, फिर substitution, फिर homogeneous and then finally linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Fine. So meanwhile all of you go through this order and degree. The last video also we have worked out some order, degree and formation. तो ये वीडियो और प्रीवियस वीडियो को कनेक्ट करके गो थ्रू करो अच्छे से. सो ऑर्डर, डिग्री और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन will get clear. Now the solution part we'll discuss in the next video. Fine.